Hello, here we go for lesson 118 on those blue half sheets. Just a reminder, you should be doing these sheets on your own first and then coming here to check them. So, number 1, draw a shape with one line of symmetry and one pair of congruent sides. So, the line of symmetry means that you can draw a line through it and fold it in half and the shape would match up. And there can only be one line of symmetry in this shape. And we can have one pair of congruent sides. Congruent means same shape, same size. So one possibility for this is just a triangle, an equilateral triangle. Sorry, an isosceles triangle. Because we can draw one line of symmetry, and this side and this side are the same. You could probably also draw a trapezoid. Again, your slanted edges should be exactly the same, and then you could draw a line through the middle. Something like that. Number 2. Osvaldo Alonso had a new baby. The baby weighed 8 pounds 9 ounces at birth. In 2 months, the baby gained 3 pounds 13 ounces more weight. After 2 months, how much did the new baby weigh? So the baby weighed 8 pounds. LB is the abbreviation for pounds. And 9 ounces. OZ is the abbreviation for ounces. And it gained 3 pounds and 13 ounces. So how much does it weigh now? Let's see, 9 and 3 is 12. 22 ounces. 8 and 3 is 11. So 11 pounds, 22 ounces. The thing about the 22 ounces here is that there's only 16 ounces in a pound. So we should change this 22 ounces into pounds and some leftover ounces. So if we take our 22, take out 1 pound, which is 16 ounces, we have 6 left over. So 22 ounces is equal to 1 pound and 6 ounces. So we can add that 1 pound to the 11 pounds, and now we have 12 pounds and 6 ounces. Okay, number 3. 1,672,431 minus 904,208. So we're just subtracting, and S is our difference after we subtract. So let's see, 1 is less than 8, so I'm going to regroup. Make that a 2, and this be an 11. 11 minus 8 is 3. 2 minus 0 is 2. 4 minus 2 is 2. I can't take the 4 from the 2 without going to a negative number, so I will regroup again. 12 minus 4 is 8. 6 minus 0 is 6. I have to regroup again. Looks like this is 7. So 768,223. 768,223. Moving on to number 4, Mike's family went on a camping trip to the mountains. On the first day, they hiked from their car to the campsite, and they hiked 3/5 of a mile. First, they hiked 3/5 of a mile from the car to a stream, and 2 4/5 miles from the stream to a meadow. Then they hiked 4/5 of a mile from the meadow to the campsite. So how many miles in all? So we've got, let's see, the 3/5 of a mile, the 2 4/5, and the 4/5. So let's see, I still have my 2 miles, and then my 4/5 and 4/5, that's 8/5, plus another 3/5 would be 11/5. So now we have a mixed number, but the mixed number includes an improper fraction because 11 is more than 5. So we need to figure out how many 5s are in 11, because 5/5 would make 1, and another 5/5 would make another 1. That's a total of 10. Plus 1 more 5th. That would be 11/5. And we've got each of these making 1 whole. So it looks like we have 2 more miles and 1/5 more mile. So altogether, I've got my 2 miles here, 3 miles, 4 miles, and then 1/5. So 4 and 1/5 miles. Number 5. When rounding to the nearest million, which numbers round to a million? So the first number, 1,495,800. So here's the millions place, the 1 million. 4 is not quite halfway to the next million, so we round down. We would round down to a million, so this one is yes. I'm going to write this one down here. So 900,000 plus 50,000. Altogether, that is 950,000. The millions place is here. The 9 would tell me to round up to a million, so yes. And for the 681,922 plus 3,000, I'll put that over here. So 680, there's 1,000, but I'm adding 3 more thousand, so that would be 84,922. The millions place is out here. The 6 does round up to a million, so they are all yes. There you go. There's lesson 118. Thanks for watching.